Pleated shades are easy to install. In this short video, you'll learn how to install a pleated shade with a standard cord lift. For easiest installation, a cordless screwdriver, drill bits, and a pencil are all you'll need. Before starting, carefully unpack your shades and mounting hardware. Check the printed instructions included with your product to familiarize yourself with the contents of your box. Begin your installation by positioning your mounting brackets 2.5 inches in from each side of your window along the top of the window opening. Line up the front of each bracket so they are even. Next, while holding your bracket in position, use your pencil to mark where the screws will go. For easiest installation, pre-drill your installation holes where marked. Install each bracket using 2 of the supplied mounting screws per bracket. The proper number of brackets will be included based on the width of your shade. Install your headrail by inserting the front lip of your headrail onto the brackets and tilt up until the backside snaps into place. To prevent dangling cords, you can install the included cord cleat on the window trim or the wall. Finally, test your shade by lowering and then raising it using the lift control. And that's it. If you still have any questions about the installation of your shades, give us a call at 1-800-505-1905.